Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a closer look and test the Borsgye leather coin purse. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this clear plastic packet is a Borsgye leather coin purse, and just giving you a look at the brown coin purse in its clear plastic packaging. And now let's go ahead and open it up by peeling open the flap to the clear plastic packet and sliding the coin purse out from it. So giving you a look at this Borsgye leather coin purse and giving you some sense of its size, resting it in my palm and of course holding or gripping it as well. So you can see it does have an overall light brown color to it. And its dimensions are 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters by about 3.5 centimeters thick or high. So a square shape with a height of 3.5 centimeters. So once again, 8 centimeters across, 8 centimeters wide, and 3.5 centimeters thick. So giving you an overall look at this leather coin purse, and we can see at the front or bottom of that flap opening is a gold tone stud fastening. So let's open it up and giving you a look inside of the coin pouch or coin purse. And there we go, the stud closure or snap closure on the flap, and giving you a sense of this coin purse's leather and its thickness. So we can see that it does have a coarse finish to the underside or inside of this leather coin purse, and giving you a look inside as well as I kind of pull out the bottom part of the coin purse so you have a better look directly inside of it. So you can see a kind of dish shape square of this coin purse's compartment. And at the front, the bottom part for that snap closure or stud button. And right there, a very solid snapping sound. Now giving you a look once again at the external or outside of this coin purse, and to give you some sense of the material as well, which is brown leather. It appears to be the Crazy Horse leather variety. So let's open it up once again. This time giving you a different perspective. To the coin purse and resting it in my palm once again with the flap open. And just squeezing or squashing it to give you some sense of the material, which is brown leather. And there giving you a side profile as well, so you can see once again the edges and textures, and of course the stitching details as well to this Borsgye leather coin purse. And now let's go ahead and test it out. So over here I have a stack of euro coins. And let's go ahead and put them into the coin purse. And there we go, looking inside of the coin purse to give you some sense of the size of the storage area or compartment area for this 8 by 8 centimeter square coin purse measuring 3.5 centimeters thick. And just tossing it about and shaking it as well rather vigorously. And crushing it as well. And let's see if anything, any of the coins spill out. So doing my very best here to dislodge some coins from the pouch. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open it up once again and giving you a look at the inside of this Borsgye leather coin purse, and with the coins in there safe and sound. Let's pour them out and empty it out. So there we go, looking at the inside of the coin purse once again and its overall details. So very easy with the easy opening with a gusset style design. Does allow for easy access. Okay, so just pouring the coins, emptying out the coin purse and closing it back up. So that's the Borsgye leather coin purse. Thanks for watching and happy storing!